Children, today we will take new lessons from our Term 2 book. Lesson 1, that is about food, okay? In this lesson, we will learn about what are the different types of food, why do we eat food, how many times we eat food in a day, why it is important to eat food, and from where do we get food, okay? So in our first page, complete the names of these food items. See here in the picture, you have to write the names of the food by yourself, okay? Some letters are missing, so you fill up those blanks by yourself. Alright? We all need food to live and grow. Okay, children, why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. जिंदा रखने के लिए, जिंदा रहने के लिए, and बड़ा होने के लिए खाना खाता है ना, right? Okay, it makes us strong and healthy and gives us energy or power to work and play. Okay, eating food makes our body strong and healthy, and the food that we take, it gives us energy and power to work and play. Okay, and we eat 3 main meals in a day. एक दिन में हम लोग कितना बार खाना खाना चाहिए? In a day, we eat 3 meals. That is, the first meal of the day is called breakfast, that is taken in the morning, and lunch, the second break or second meals, which is called lunch, that we have in the afternoon, and the last meal of the day is called dinner, that we have in the evening or at night time. Okay, so the 3 main meals of the day are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. See in the picture, there are 3 children having different types of food. Okay, the first children is having food at 8 a.m. That is the breakfast time, which we used to have in the morning. And the second child is having food at exact 12 o'clock, right? So this is the lunch time. And the third child is having food again at 8 o'clock. This is called the dinner during the night time. Okay, now where do we get our food from? हम लोग खाना कहाँ से मिलता है बोल रहे हैं. So it says, where does our food come from? Our food comes from both plants and animal. Okay, हम लोग खाना जो जानवर से भी मिलता है और plants से भी मिलता है बोल रहे हैं. Okay, in this picture you will see a lot of fruits and vegetables that plants provide us. These are the fruits and vegetables, foods which we get from plants. Okay, the first row of these food items that comes from plants are cereals and pulses, that is wheat, rice, peas, beans, and dal. These are called the cereals or and pulses. Okay, and in the second row we will also see some types of vegetables that we get from plants. Here, what is the first one? Potato, beans, brinjal, and carrot. And in the third row, there are also some different types of fruits that we get from plants. Okay, fruits such as mango, orange, grapes, and apple. So all these food items, these are all comes from plants. It is said that we get food from both plants and animals, right? So here in this picture, you will see the food items that we get from animals. So हम लोग दूध पीने वाला ना वो कहाँ से मिलता है बोलने से, we get milk from animals such as cow, goat, buffalo, and so on. Okay, and fish, eggs, and chicken. All these types of food items are also get from animals. Okay, so when we eat all this type of fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, or meat, it gives our body energy, healthy and strong. Okay, And eating of fruits and vegetables every day is good for health. Here given below, color the vegetable given below. Write its name. So this one you do as homework. You find out what type of vegetables is this and put the exact color of the particular vegetable. Color it properly and write the name of the vegetables in this blank. Okay. Why do we need different kinds of food? We need to eat different kinds of food because it will help us to stay healthy, strong, and it gives us energy to work and to do so many things. Food items such as pulses, milk, eggs, and meat, it helps us to grow. And fruits, vegetables, and nuts, these are the food that keeps us healthy and it protects our body from illness. And energy given food such as chapatis, rice, sugar, bread, and butter gives us energy. Here you will see some food items that we get from animals: milk, butter, ghee, cheese, curd. All these foods are milk products, and all these food are good for health and makes our bones strong. Okay, that is all about the different types of food and the food from where we get. Now we will learn about why water is important to us and why it is important to all living things. Okay, all living things need water because without water we cannot survive. हम लोग प्यास लगने से क्या होता है? We want to drink water, right? So when we drink water, it gives us refreshing. It makes fulfill our thirsty and it provides energy. Okay, so our body needs water. If you are drinking very little water, from now on you should start drinking at least 6 glasses of water every day. Okay, पानी पीने से ना बीमार भी नहीं होगा, ताकत भी मिलेगा और हम लोग का खून भी हम लोग का पतन में ना ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसलिए पानी पीना बहुत ज़रूरी है बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स. हम लोग बहुत सारा खाना खाता है ना, उसको अच्छा तरीके से खाना खाना चाहिए बोल रहे हैं. सो अच्छा तरीके से कैसा खाना खाना चाहिए? Look here, the food that you eat should be clean, fresh and well cooked. हम लोग बहुत सारा दिन में खाना खाता है ना, so all that food before eating it should be very properly clean. और खाना जो खाना लोग जो सड़ जाता है ना, ऐसा वाला नहीं खाना खाना चाहिए, लेकिन we should take fresh food और खाना को अच्छा से पका के खाना खाना चाहिए बोल रहे. ठीक है ना? एंड हम लोग फ्रूट्स खाने के लिए पसंद करता है ना, सो बिफोर ईटिंग ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट्स उसको पानी से अच्छा से वॉश करना है. ठीक है ना? ऑल दिस फूड्स इट शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली washed before it is eaten or cooked. Understand? And the 3 different meals of the day, all those 3 meals of the day, it should be regularly eaten in a fixed times. जो हम लोग एक दिन में 3 बार खाना खाता है ना, वो हमेशा एक टाइम में खाना खाना चाहिए बोल रहे हैं. मतलब कि सुबह का 8 बजे में खाने से और दूसरा टाइम में नहीं खाना है, और नेक्स्ट डे जो 8 बजे में खाना है ब्रेकफास्ट, उसके बाद लंच पे एग्जैक्ट 12 में हमेशा खाना है, एंड डिनर टाइम भी रात को 8 बजे में ठीक समय में खाना खाना है बोल रहे हैं. These are all comes under the good eating habits. Okay, eat with your mouth closed. जब हम लोग खाने का समय हम लोग का माउथ को ओपन करके खाना नहीं चाहिए बोल रहे. And we should chew our food well. Wash your hands properly before and after every meals. We should wash our hands properly after eating food or before eating food. उसके बाद खाना को नहीं फेंकना है. We should not waste our food And while having food, we should try different kinds of food items in our meal. Okay, so these all points are that comes under the good eating habits. Look at the picture. See, this is how we should wash our fruits before eating or before cook, and we should wash our hands properly before meal or after meal. And ये थाली को देख रहे हैं ना, बहुत सारा खाना आइटम्स देख रहे हैं ना. These are all different kinds of food items which are all already cooked, and like this we should also try in our meal. Okay, so that is all about our lesson. So those work which I gave you, you try to do by yourself and submit to me. Okay, we will end our lesson here.